আপনি দেখছেন নিউজ নাও, আমরা জানি কোনটা খবর।
রাজ্যে ক্রমবর্ধমান অপরাধী কার্যকলাপ বৃদ্ধির প্রেক্ষিতে পুলিশের মহানির্দেশকের অফিস ঘেরাও করল ত্রিপুরা প্রদেশ কংগ্রেস। এআইসিসির দায়িত্বপ্রাপ্ত ক্রিস্টোফার তুল্লোর নেতৃত্বে ত্রিপুরা প্রদেশ কংগ্রেসের কর্মীরা এদিন এই বিক্ষোভ কর্মসূচিতে সামিল হয়। উপস্থিত ছিলেন কংগ্রেস বিধায়ক সুদীপ রায় বর্মনও।
You are facing a evacuation from your hostel also. Do you relate it with that also?
No issue. You can't call thief a thief. Don't I have the right to call a dacoit a dacoit? These people are enjoying power, looting the public exchequer, doing nothing for the common people, and I have to call them saint. Is this what democracy stands for? Each and every day murder, rape, gang rape, arsoning, looting, all things are taking place. There is complete lawlessness. Police, silent spectator, they are dancing to their puppets, dancing to the tune of the government. This cannot be. Even the armed judge is facing the heat. So we are now taking up to the streets in protest against the lawlessness of the state of Kerala.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
If you discuss specifically about the lawlessness in the state, particularly the violence against women, so it is about law and order issue in the state. This is the main mudda, correct? So if the state lawlessness is bad, it is really lawless, if the law and order situation is bad, then I think the entire state is in a problem, and I think it is a structured violence by the state. So it will surely affect the economy, it will surely affect the investment, it will surely affect the growth of this particular state, which the Congress leaders, PCC President and the MLAs have come here together along with the complete Congress party, and continuously we are going to highlight this issue across the districts. So this is our first protest against this particular government, specifically about the lawlessness, the violence involved in politics, which is completely dangerous for the future. 65% of the population in this country are below 40 years, and instead of focusing on employment and other constructive aspects, this particular government is just unleashing violence so that they can divert the people of Tripura and put them under fear.
You said it's organized. What has been the role of the police? And in recent, we have seen communal violence also erupting in the street.
Police is silent. Police is just keeping quiet. You can ask our MLAs and the PCC President. They will be able to tell you very specifically where the police has been quiet. Instead of the police acting for the people, police is completely with the government, like what it was during the Britishers' time. This police has been established during the Britishers' time to safeguard the people and government. But today, instead of safeguarding the public, they are again safeguarding the people who are in power, and they are trying to carry forward their agenda of looting this country, looting this state.
There are unstoppable incidents of atrocities on the women and the school-going children.
Yeah.
What do you react about?
What?
How do you see into this? The
That is why
increasing.
That is this entire protest is against that. The
Yeah,
entire
against-
protest is for those kind of issues, and I request all the media people to completely highlight this the protest and take it forward in social media also. And the statistics, I think that is also manipulated by the state to hide the real facts of this particular state. So I think we will be continuously taking this issue in all the district level also.
Sir,